How to create WhatsApp channels on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to never miss an update. So first of all, open up WhatsApp on your device. Now at the bottom menu, simply tap on updates. Now on the update page, simply tap on three dots at the top right corner. Then tap on create channel. Now simply tap on continue. Now enter the channel name. Now simply tap on the camera icon to upload the profile picture. Then select gallery. Now give the permissions. Now select the photo. Then tap on done. Then tap on create channel. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.